how would Matt Easton deal with an unscrupulous competitor that makes lies and false claims? In other words, they sell a generic product, we sell the same generic product, and also a premium brand with more additives and properties, but yet they're telling people that their generic product equals ours. And how do you deal with that without getting your hands dirty?
One of the best ways you can deal with that is, it's interesting that you bring that up, and I just don't want to talk about brands or competitors or anything. I will say that is probably the single biggest reason why people are coming over to us, is they've either been told something before, and unfortunately a lot of them get pretty far down the road with other companies and find out that the ingredients are different, the brand is off, and then they, you know, they're having to retool everything with a new. That's why we kind of scope everything out right, and we're not making those type of statements, right? So I just want you to be cool and calm. If they say the competitor said this, and it's a bold-faced lie, what I don't want you to say is they're lying, because now it's like my grandfather. He drove a bus when he was alive. He gave me a really good piece of advice because he was a bus driver in Boston, and he was like, Matthew, don't ever argue with a crazy person, because from a distance, people can't tell who's who. And you know what? He was right. So if they say the competitor said this, and I go, they're full of crap, right? Now it's both of us making these grandiose claims. But if somebody comes to me and goes, the competitor said this, this, and this, and this about you guys, I'm just going to cool and confidently go, why do you think they said that? That's it. That's all you have to say. Why do you think they said that? Well, because they want to get our business and they don't want us going over to you. It's not the first time I've heard that stuff, right? Does it make sense to get you guys over so you can finally get the ingredients, blah, blah, blah? I'll be honest with you. The price is this, right? There is no way to scope it out at that price for that ingredients list. So something's off base there. But you want to avoid arguing with them. You want to avoid ever saying anything bad about them. If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends, and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.